Are you a student whose exams are nearing and you have a mountain of information to study? Are you a professional who has to complete many tasks and don't know where to start? Don't worry, your savior, the Pomodoro technique, is here. Pomodoro is the Italian word for tomato. The Pomodoro technique is one of the most popular time management methods. This technique was developed in late 1980s by Francesco Cirillo while he was studying at the university. He used a kitchen timer to measure his 25-minute study sessions. These intervals came to be known as Pomodoros. The technique is popular because it's portable and very easy to learn and implement. The goal of the technique is to reduce the effects of external and internal interruptions to focus and flow, so that we can complete the task on hand. Pomodoro technique does not require much preparation. The items we need are a task list, a timer which can be your phone, and a notepad. That's it. The workflow of a Pomodoro technique is to first identify the task, set a timer of 25 minutes, which is basically one Pomodoro, work on the task till the Pomodoro is complete, take a 5-minute break, and every 4 Pomodoros take a longer break of 15 to 30 minutes. The 25-minute work sprints are the core of the method, but the Pomodoro technique also includes some rules for getting the most out of each interval. The first step for successful task management is to identify actionable tasks. By this, I mean to identify tasks which can be completed in a specified interval of time. So, if we have a longer or a complex project, we need to first break it down into smaller tasks. The most important aspect that needs to be mastered for a successful Pomodoro technique is to not be distracted during a Pomodoro. When we are working on a task, any distraction, be it external or self-inflicted, which pulls us away from the focus state, would result in requiring 20 minutes for us to get back to the same state. So, during a Pomodoro, there should be no phones, social media, or any other type of distraction. A Pomodoro is indivisible. When interrupted during a Pomodoro, the other activity either needs to be recorded in your notepad and postponed, or the Pomodoro needs to be abandoned. We need to club the smaller tasks into one Pomodoro. Let's say that you need to pay the rent check, or book an appointment, or make a quick call. All such activities need to combine into one Pomodoro. We need to plan our Pomodoros in advance. At the beginning of each day, or maybe the end, keep aside 15 minutes to assign the Pomodoros for the next tasks. We need to be careful when we estimate the number of Pomodoros we require for each task. So let's say you want to complete a chapter and you may assign 4 Pomodoros for it. And let's say you need to complete an assignment, you assign 2 Pomodoros. Initially, your estimates may be off, but soon you'll be able to gauge them accurately. The 25-minute interval for each Pomodoro is a start point. Everybody is different. For most people, the sweet spot is between 25 to 50 minutes of peak concentration, followed by 5 to 15 minutes of break. By trial and error, we need to figure out which time works best for us. The USP of Pomodoro technique is its simplicity. All we need is a task list and a timer, and we can start implementing it. Try this method and I am sure it will help you achieve your goals. If you found this video useful, please like it and subscribe to my channel. Till next time, ciao.